Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 Overview. Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It eliminates your need for upfront hardware investment so you can develop and deploy applications faster. You can use Amazon EC2 to launch as many or as few virtual servers as you need. Amazon EC2 enables you to scale up or down within minutes to handle changes or spikes in requirements, reducing your need to forecast traffic. It provides you with complete control of your computing resources and lets you run on Amazon's proven, reliable, and scalable computing environment. Amazon EC2 is hosted in multiple locations worldwide, comprised of AWS regions, which consists of at least 3 availability zones. This computing environment provides high availability, with Service Level Agreement (SLA) commitment of 99.99% availability for each Amazon EC2 region. In addition, security at AWS is our top priority. AWS is built to meet the requirements of the most security-sensitive organizations. First, let's go through some of the Amazon EC2 basics. What is an instance? An instance is a virtual server in the cloud. Amazon EC2 provides a wide selection of instance types to enable you to choose the CPU, memory, storage, networking capacity, and GPU for your applications. Here are the instance type categories. General purpose instances are instances that provide a balance of compute, memory, and networking resources. Compute optimized instances. They are optimized for compute-intensive workloads. Memory optimized instances. These instances are for memory-intensive workloads that process large data sets in memory. Storage optimized instances. They are designed for workloads that require sequential read and write access to very large data sets on local storage. Accelerated computing instances. These are GPU instances that use hardware accelerators. These instance types are optimized to fit different use cases. Here is just one of the many examples for each instance types. In addition, each instance type includes one or more instance sizes, allowing you to scale your resources to the requirements of your target workload. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 Overview. Storage and networking. Amazon EC2 provides you with flexible, cost-effective, and easy-to-use data storage options for your instances. Instances can access storage from disks that are physically attached to the host computer. This disk storage is referred as Instance Store, which provides temporary block-level storage for your instance. You can also attach an Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS volume to your EC2 instance for persistent block-level storage. EBS behaves like a raw, unformatted, external block device. Your EBS data can be backed up using EBS snapshots and stored in Amazon S3. Amazon EC2 also uses Amazon S3 for storing Amazon Machine Image (AMI). In addition, you can also create a file system for use with Amazon EC2. Amazon Elastic File System (EFS) provides scalable file storage. Applications running on your EC2 instances can access your file system at the same time. Networking defines your network access to your EC2 instances. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) lets you provision a logically isolated area within the AWS cloud where you can launch your EC2 instances in a virtual network that you define. Alternatively, your AWS account comes with a pre-configured default VPC in each region. You can launch your EC2 instances into the default VPC right away. A VPC can also span multiple availability zones, AZs, in a region. You can add subnets in different AZs and launch instances into the subnets to improve fault tolerance in your applications. You can also use multiple layers of security to help control access to Amazon EC2 instances in each subnet. For example, you can define a security group, which acts as a virtual firewall that controls the traffic for your instances. Now, let's look at how these EC2 basic concepts are used to launch Amazon EC2 instances. To launch Amazon EC2 instances. First, you need to determine whether you want to run your Amazon EC2 instances in a single location or multiple locations, regions, availability zones. Select an Amazon Machine Image (AMI). Then determine which Amazon EC2 instance types and sizes you want. You will also need to configure network access and specify any preferred subnet on your Amazon EC2 instances. A default root storage is used to boot the instance. You can edit the root volume or attach additional storage to your instances. As an option, you can add tags to your instances. Tags are used to categorize your resources and help in searching and managing your resources. Configure security on your Amazon EC2 instances, such as configure security groups. You can also secure your login information for your instances, using key pairs, public and private key. With these simple steps, you can use Amazon EC2 to launch as many or as few instances as you need, within minutes.